Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting Curve Mode in the Stroke palette and choosing a suitable brush. This sets how the curve will affect geometry. Once done, pick your base mesh and activate Transpose or the gizmo to position where the curve will originate. Make sure Curve Edit or Curve Modifiers are enabled so the curve can deform or guide strokes. This is critical because without those toggles, the curve won't influence the mesh. Now draw the initial curve stroke intentionally. Short, accurate segments work best. Next, refine the curve by moving and adding control points with Curve Edit so you get the exact path. Precise placement determines final topology flow. Then tweak brush modifiers, curve strength, fall off, and width to control how much the stroke displaces or sculpts the mesh. Subtle changes make a big visual difference. Once satisfied, use deformation options like sweep, inflate, or insert mesh along curve to bake geometry or add detail. While applying, keep an eye on symmetry and local subdivisions to maintain clean results. Finally, convert your curve-guided strokes into stable geometry by remeshing or using Z-Modeler to create clean topology. This secures the form for further sculpting. Once done, smooth selectively. Use Dynamesh for merging or project details from the original to preserve high-frequency sculpting. If you encounter pinching, jagged topology, or unexpected distortions, lower or raise subdivisions and retry. Or apply curve relax to even out point distribution. Remember to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.